this a lot, countless times. Anytime I post a makeup video, I'll see people say, Pamela, please do an eyeliner tutorials. I'm not really a makeup person. I just want to wear my lip combo and do my eyeliner and I will be fine. You guys asked for it and you guys are getting it. Okay? So if you struggle with applying your liquid eyeliner, I'm going to teach you guys a trick that will make applying your eyeliner 10 times easier. So let's get into it. First step is to grab your liquid eyeliner. This is the one I have. I've forgotten where it's from. Okay, if you have a pencil liquid eyeliner, fine. If you have a gel liner, that still works. Okay, so now we're going to take the products. This is how I'm pointing it. Then grab our mirror, right? We're going to look down the mirror, like as if you understand. So you can see your eyelid. Okay, now you start your application. Don't do like this. You have to keep your hand like this. You are going to start from the middle, right? So you place your hand like this and then keep drawing. You see how it is? Then position your hand as if it's slant manner, okay? So you can get the inner corner very well. You see how I did it seamlessly? Can you see? Now that you have gotten to this point, what you need to do is follow the line of your lower line. This is how it is. That is how you are going to wink, do the wink. I don't know if you grab what I'm trying to say. Hope you grab. Now for the wink, you have to be very careful because this is where people get it all wrong, okay? You have to be very, very careful so you don't mess things up. Now, you are going to follow this line of your lower line, okay? This is how you're going to draw it. You see how I did it? Now we're going to, from here, the middle, to join it to our eyes. Can you see? Then you start to fill in properly. It depends on what you want. If you still want your wing to be fuller or tiny, go for what you want, okay? We are going to do exactly the same thing on the other side, okay? You look down and start from the middle. And draw your line. Take it inwards. Okay. Why I'm doing this one is if you did not get this when I was doing this, at least you should be able to get it when I'm doing the second one. Okay. Now for the wing, the same thing. Follow your lower line. Can you see what I did? Then you join it. Then fill in. If you want to extend it, gently, can you see what I'm doing? Gently extend, and that is that. This up, I'm going to use my mascara to brush out my natural lashes. This mascara is from Kiss Beauty, so I'll grab my mirror again and then brush out my lashes. With this trick that I taught you guys, you realize that applying your eyeliner will be 10 times easier for you if you practice it. Yes, it's not if you do not practice. Practice it, you understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, and I hope you find this video very helpful. Okay, anytime you do anything about makeup, please you need to practice. If not, you're not going to get it. For your hand to be strong while doing it, you need more practice. Okay, so I hope you find this video very helpful. Make sure you follow, subscribe, like, share, and drop your comments. What do you want me to teach you next? Okay, I'll be in the comment section to see that. See you in my next one. Bye.